Big shout out to the Deal Detective for posting this. I believe it was at the Home Depot and Love's Facebook group. So big shout out to Deal Detective. Don't forget to hop at the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more two deals price glitches. All right, so let's dissect this for a little bit, so you guys could let's see what's going on. So we got the M12 12-volt lithium ion cordless brushless job site fan tool only. Now this one's weird, guys. It's not this one actually. It's I do have the deal in another section here, but this one's funny and also well, not funny. It's mysterious. And also, if you guys know how to get this deal, how to hack this deal, let us know in the comment section. Because this one mysteriously it says free with purchase. Now, I already did some digging and I went to all the battery platforms and I did not see a buy one get one free option. Now, let us know if you guys are able to find the hack deal for this one. Let us know in the comment sections because we want to know the hack for this one. Now, on here, it does not tell you anything about a buy one get one free here at the bottom. So most likely, it's probably either a tool or a specific battery that's not available yet. So 129 is the price. Yes, obviously it's not the best deal because there's no free item as of now. So if you guys do know that, let us know. Now let's go on over to the deal. So the deal that they just posted. This is the deal here, guys. This is a really good deal. You got the M12 12-volt lithium cordless job site fan, M12 compact 2 amp hour battery, 2-pack starter kit with charger. So this one you're getting the fan plus you're getting two batteries, charger, and yeah, this is a really good deal. $119. It's hidden. Somehow these deals keep popping up, and I don't get these on my pro special buy of the day or the pro special buy of the week. So some reason they keep popping up in other people's videos or websites and phones and stuff, but not on mine. But apparently we have a good audience, and there's a lot of platforms. There's a Reddit, there's Facebook, there's also Instagrams. There's all these places where we could find deals. So it's just a matter of looking for them and keep looking for these good deals. But this is a really good deal. You just saw the price on the other one, just bare tool. Now this one is with battery and charger, even cheaper price. So yeah, this is a killer deal. I'll leave you guys the links to both of them down below in the description section of the video, just in case you guys want to look at the other one or you want to find out for yourself what is the buy one get one free, or if you're able to hack it or not. Maybe it's your store, not mine. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.